Hello, I am Artix from EB's brand channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do, open your browser and go to youtube.com, and after that click on sign up button, and in here click on create an account and choose what type of email you want to create. For me, I choose for my personal use. After that, Google will ask you to fill some information, and in the first column you need to type your first name, and in the next column you need to type your last name. And below your email address column, click on create an email address instead. Then you need to type your unique email address username. And please make sure that your email username is easy to remember and looks professional. And in the password column, type a password that has at least 8 characters mixed with letters, numbers, and symbols. You should not type spaces. And in here, retype your password. And before clicking next button, you must remember 2 things: the email username followed by @gmail.com and the password, because you will need them later. And in here choose your country and type your phone number, and then click next. And after that you will receive a 6-digital code in your mobile phone that you need to type it here. Then click verify. In the recovery email address column, you can keep it empty. Then fill your date of birth information and choose your gender. Then click yes, I am in. After you read the privacy and the terms, click on I agree. And it will take you back to YouTube homepage. So go to the top bar and click on the small image. After that, click on create a channel. And this form will appear. In here you can change your name and your handle, or keep them as they are. Then click on create channel. And voila, here you have it, your own YouTube channel.